name is Mark Lever. We handle all of Central Florida. We feel like we're unique because we stay cutting edge. We stay on top of the latest trends.
It's hard to know who to trust, who's going to price gouge or something like that. We're young. We're trying to make a name in this business, and I feel like we run a very, very trustworthy business.
I'm Isaac Turpin.
And I'm Mark Lever. And we're the owners of True Plumbers.
We just want to say thank you for voting True Plumbers Central Florida's #1 plumbing company.
We pride ourselves on customer service and making sure our customers know that we're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
There's no job that's too big or too small, so give us a call today.
We're on board.
True builders, true plumbers, doing the ice show.